Look, we need to talk about your living room setup right now, because your current streaming device is about to look incredibly old. No jokes, the latest hardware leaks out of Apple are wild. We aren't talking about a boring minor refresh or a new color for the remote. Apple is fundamentally redesigning its entire home hardware strategy with an unreleased powerhouse, the Apple TV Vision Pro Edition. I know a premium set-top box sounds crazy, but stay with me. The leak trail started with Ming-Chi, but now Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has confirmed the craziest specification of all: native 8K display output. Yes, 8K. Almost nobody has an 8K TV in their home yet, but Apple is forcing the transition early, exactly like they did with 4K. Under the hood, Shrimp Apple Pro says they are running a top-tier A19 Pro chip. Think about it. A premium phone chip running with unlimited power supply and zero battery limitations. It's an absolute powerhouse. To keep that silicon happy, the hardware schematics show an actual fan and a heavy custom aluminum heat sink inside the box. Because it doesn't have to fit into a thin pants pocket, the A19 Pro can run at max clock speed without thermal throttling. This means serious console-level gaming with full metal API support, hardware ray tracing, and gorgeous lighting effects that won't fade or lag out after a few minutes of heavy load. According to report summaries from the Elec and Ross Young, the back panel features next-gen HDMI 2.2 pushing a massive 96 gigabits of data. Why? To drive a mind-blowing 240 Hz refresh rate directly to high-end displays. This is a massive shot across the bow for the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. Apple wants the living room to be an absolute gaming hub. Digitimes leaked that Apple is optimizing their neural engines for real-time AI upscaling. It takes your standard compressed 1080p or 4K streams and cleans them up frame by frame using on-device machine learning. The result is a clean, sharp 8K output. Combine that with 240 Hz speeds and your sports streams or Apple Arcade Pro games will look insanely smooth, like you are literally sitting right on the court. The accessories are getting love too. The updated Siri remote packs the U2 ultra-wideband chip, so your iPhone can precisely guide you right down to the exact couch cushion your remote is hiding under. Plus, rumors state Apple is building a dedicated, premium game controller with deep haptic feedback to match their Apple Arcade Pro push. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the leaked $1,299 price tag. That's a massive pill to swallow, but look at the storage spec. It skips right past the tiny 64 GB options and starts at 2 TB of ultra-fast NVMe flash storage. This turns your Apple TV into a powerful local media server. You can download full, uncompressed cinema files, giant game packs, and your whole family library locally, so you never have to watch a spinning buffering wheel again. The name Vision Pro Edition says it all. If you own the Vision Pro headset, use AirPods Max, and have a smart home setup, this becomes the central nervous system of your house. It actively maps the audio acoustics of your walls using spatial tracking. Want a movie night late at night? It handles full, uncompressed spatial audio straight to your headphones without waking up the rest of the house. Apple isn't trying to sell cheap plastic streaming sticks. They want to own the high-end living room experience completely. Dropping $1,300 on a home box while needing an expensive display upgrade is a huge ask for most everyday consumers. But if anyone can redefine the premium tech market, it's Apple. Thanks for watching.